Hello care queens, welcome back for another video. So you guys already know it is wintertime here in New Jersey and it is just very cold. My skin has not been doing well. Despite all of the things that I have been doing, whether it be applying lotion, showering a lot shorter, and not making sure that the water's too hot because that can tend to dry out my skin, I am still struggling here with that weird winter acne, as weird as that sounds, from the neck down, and I'm also dealing with very textured, bumpy skin. Thankfully, I got a hold of all these problems the past couple weeks, and I really wanted to give you guys a step-by-step of what I've been doing so that you guys can be attacking these issues, because nobody wants to have little pimples on their butt or in between their thighs, on their back or chest. I have been breaking out mostly on my back and my chest, and I wanted to really give you guys my step-by-step of what's been working for me. So if you guys want to know how I pretty much tackle my textured, bumpy skin and make myself look face-tuned in real life, then make sure that you guys keep on watching. But before getting started, please do not forget to subscribe down below for more videos from me. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and give me a follow on Instagram so that you guys can always know when I'm uploading, and I always ask you guys a lot of questions on there that pertain to videos here on YouTube. So give me a follow and let's just get into the video. So we're going to separate everything into different sections, and we're going to start off with acne. So body acne, body pimples, bumps, whatever you guys want to call it. This is something that I've been dealing with a lot in the wintertime, and I actually have an amazing product that I'm going to be talking about today. This particular product actually was given to me in PR, and they are sponsoring today's video. So this brand is actually called Zit Sticka, and they pretty much are little zit patches that have micro darts in them that are going to help melt your pimples from the inside out. So these are actually vegan and cruelty free, which to me is a brand that I love working with, because you guys already know I'm plant-based. I love to support vegan brands, and to just have a product like this that is focusing on making sure that their brand is ethically done and sourced, I love that so much. So essentially this is how it works. If you have a breakout, a pimple on your back, which I actually did a couple days ago, and I have a picture for you guys so you can see the side by side, you place this directly on the pimple, and they come in these individual packages, and you pretty much take it out, you put it on your back and or wherever you were going to be putting it. So right here I'm showing you guys the CLEANA cleaning swab, and this is really great for cleaning the area where the zit is, so that when placing on the micro dart, you are going to have the area super clean. It is infused with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, and alcohol. And now I am showing you guys the zit patch close up with the micro darts in it. What's really great about these patches is they are best suited for underground zits, because the darts go into the skin and they contain active ingredients that help penetrate the skin so that you can get rid of that redness and texture. And you allow it to sit there for at least 2 hours to allow the micro darts to work their magic. These patches actually have salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid in them, so they are really legit. And I have found that when I apply these before bed, it's the most effective. So the micro darts actually don't hurt at all. They just kind of have like a little prickly feel to them the second that they're applied, but once it's applied, you don't feel it at all. So I've been breaking out like crazy on my back. It's not fun, but this does happen a lot during the wintertime for me. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my skin just kind of reacting weirdly to the weather. I find that the redness is completely gone and that the pimple has flattened. So I figured this would be a great thing to recommend to you guys if you're dealing with that weird hormonal winter acne like I am. It's gonna work pretty much on any part of your body. You guys can use this even in your pubic area. You can use it your legs, you can use your back, your chest, your face, wherever you guys want. You're gonna see a significant difference in redness and texture and just the overall appearance of it. You can apply another one right after, and it's going to completely diminish this pimple 100%. So if you guys want to get your hands on Zit Sticka, I will leave the links and coupon codes down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can get your product today. And yeah, that's pretty much the one thing that I've been doing recently just for acne. Moving on off of acne, we can still have some sort of texture that has nothing to do with acne at all. So what I have been noticing is that my regular exfoliations might be drying out the skin. So you want to get some sort of exfoliation scrub that is infused with some sort of aloe vera or oil. This is going to be the key ingredient, because you are going to get the benefits of exfoliating. You guys are also going to make sure that you are hydrating the area. Hydration is key to anything that is dry and patchy and bumpy. Something like like that I just feel like is so important. So I made sure that I went to the store and bought an exfoliation that was really infused with a lot of oils. Moving away from that, I really think that investing in some sort of dry brush is going to really help. Obviously, dry brushing helps with circulation and all of that, but I've noticed for me personally that it helps get rid of any of that bumpiness on my skin. So if I have a little bumpiness on my butt or on my back, I find that dry brushing really helps smooth out the texture a lot more. So you guys really need to be investing in a thicker lotion. If you find that your lotion is coming out really watery or thin, it is just not going to do the trick. This is the time of year where you should be investing in really thick, creamy lotions. I love anything that you have to actually scoop your hand in and rub in and put all over your body. You guys already know my favorite lotions of all time, so I don't even have to repeat them. But anything thick that you guys know works for your body is going to really make a difference. Now, you might have some sort of skin condition that you don't know about, so I would consider going to the dermatologist and seeing if you have eczema or dermatitis so that you guys can really attack this with the proper treatment. They do have medicines that are good for this, but something that I think is really great is taking some sort of Epsom salt bath. This is going to help your skin smooth out so much. When I was really struggling with the bumpiness on my legs, I found that an Epsom salt bath really helped, and it just gave my skin a more face-tuned appearance, so I was really happy with that. But honestly, this is something that is so annoying to deal with in the wintertime because you don't know what it is exactly that you're dealing with. So you have to find and do trial and error of different things that you think will work so that you can see, you know, what's gonna make you look better and more improved. Invest in oil. You cannot stop at lotion. It's just not going to do it. You need to get some sort of oil. So personally, me, you guys already know I love coconut oil. I actually think that coconut oil is too light for the winter time, so I actually use vitamin E oil. So if you guys find that you have really clogged pores when you do oil on the body, you guys need to do research on what oils are healthy for people who get clogged pores in their body. But me personally, my body eats up oil, especially my butt and my legs. It eats it up. I can slather on all the oil that I want on my legs and butt, and it will honestly make it look so much better. It won't end up breaking it out, but my chest and back I have to be very careful with, so I like to just put a lighter oil on that. So a product that I actually read online that works really well for anybody dealing with this type of skin problem of just bumpiness and texture is investing in a humidifier. So a humidifier obviously puts moisture into the air. It is going to kind of create a nice coating to the skin that you won't realize, and it is just going to make your skin less dry. Obviously, you can't avoid when you go outside how dry your skin is going to be, but you can avoid how dry it's going to be in your home. So invest in a humidifier so that your skin can just feel much better and it can just, I don't know, heal, I guess you can say. Something about dry weather just makes your skin go crazy, and investing in the right things will honestly just be a world of a difference. I want you guys to know that it is not easy to really get this under control quickly. The more you guys incorporate these steps into your skin routine, you are going to notice a big difference in a time frame. Obviously, it took me a minute to get my skin under control, but my skin is looking great and I am really happy with the results. Honestly, just incorporating a little bit more oils, incorporating the CLEANA patches, and also just really moisturizing with the thick moisturizers, I've noticed a big difference with my skin. I look more face-tuned in real life. I am looking evenly coated. I really do believe that the way that you treat your skin and the products that you lather on are going to keep your skin looking evenly textured, evenly colored, and you're going to look that much better. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. Mwah.